Hello guys, welcome to G Master Tech Tips. So in this video, we are going to look at fixing all these errors we saw on the previous video. We check our site speed, and we notice we are lacking some things. We are really lacking behind based on the speed of our website. Is not really encouraging. So now we'll look at how to actually fix those problems, to fix them, so that you can start having a site that loads fast. So how do we go about it? Now we should, before you do anything, you should actually know the problem. I will check our website speed on pagespeed.web.dev. Is a Google own tool. All right. Okay. So we've known where the problem is. We've checked, and they have given us a recommendation on how to make our site load faster, and we accept. So what is the next thing to do? The next thing is to actually fix those problems. Now, this is a blogspot, and knowing that we have limited flexibility on this platform gives many some kind of bad feelings about this. But nevertheless, we can actually do some things and fix it, which is why you are watching this video. So how do we go about it? First of all, they say we should reduce unused JavaScript. So how do you reduce unused JavaScript? Check on this site. All the customization here were done by using JavaScript, and you cannot say there is none that is unused. All of them are important. All of them are important. So since you don't want to touch it, what are you going to do? Simple. Go to team. Go to edit HTML. You see this here. These are code combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here you can see codes here. So if you actually understand what you're doing, you should be able to figure out the code. Some code that are not easy, that are not simple. Those are simple code that doesn't have anything tangible doing. What to do? You remove them. So that's how it works. So once you understand them and remove them, you solve the first issue. You solve the first problem. Now we look at another problem that is making our site slow. Portraits. Properly sized images. All right. Properly sized images. Now, I don't know if you really understand what it means. So that's how the thing works. That's how the thing works. You have to really understand this. So reduce unused JavaScript. We've covered popular properly sized images. See direction. How light just calculates your overall performance. Now I know that the browser they use people use this browser to browse. So almost all of them works understand the same thing. If you don't really do what they understand, that's where your problem starts. That's where your problem starts. So it was not helpful. It was not helpful. So yeah, so reduce the impact on third-party code. This is also equivalent to this pattern. So you can actually do some work. Then avoid document. Then how to avoid document. Uses document.write. Avoid document.write. Published. So using document.write. You see, no browser is really on the side of using document.write. From GitHub, Mozilla, and all those stuff, they don't encourage. This method has very destructive behavior. Some cases, this method can affect the state of HTML parser. You see, so it's a very bad idea. To use document.write is a very, very dangerous idea to do this. So reading through this document, you will see a lot of things you should really understand. So don't use it. So read about document.write and don't use it. Image element. Do not have an explicit image. Do not have explicit image. Is highly prohibited. You see, do not have. All of us will understand what is explicit image. It doesn't need a special explanation. Just what you already know. Also, when you come down here, minimize main thread work. Consider reducing the time spent piercing. So how do the browser work? When you load, they start by piercing or understanding the page before they show it to your user. So that's how browser work. So when you reduce the time it take to pierce it, in order for the user to see the information they want to see, when you do this, you've actually reduced the time, which is a very good practice. It's a very nice practice for you to do, and I really recommend it. if you want a fast site. So another thing is server static and all those things. So coming down here, you will see this list. There are some things you should remove. These things should be out or be modified better. Then we are looking good here, but we still need to improve to 98. So overall, we should work on our website. We should really work on them. That's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.